Hello family. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, Dividend Passport Bro, here with another video. Today is Friday, September the 20th. The market was kind of crazy today, but if you guys have been paying attention to the market, it's been going up and down. It started off green, it went red, it went green, and it went red again. But I think it was a good day. I did sell some things in the portfolio as planned. In one of the portfolios, in the other portfolio, I didn't reach. It didn't reach the goal on the threshold on what I paid for it that I wanted to get back. So we're gonna wait till next week and see how that goes. And as for the channel is doing good. We're 185 subscribers, and the watch hour, oh my God, the watch hour is amazing. I think we are over 500 watch hours. That's freaking incredible. To just been doing this, I would say full time now, providing videos every day. And the love you guys are showing is just amazing. Just amazing. So let's get into the portfolio. I'm gonna try to make this video short today. I'm a little bit tired. I just changed apartments because I have a guest coming to my apartment today, so I had to get another apartment. I'm still in Cartagena. I had to get another apartment for the next few days, and then I'm going to go to another one for another day until my guest leaves. Then I will go back to my apartment, and I'll be there until the next guest comes in. Okay, but the portfolio overall is red. We're down pretty much on all the portfolio. My baby is down $11.53. Yesterday she made $30-something, so it's not that bad, right? My retirement portfolio, my Roth, is down. It was up yesterday, I think like $400, and we're down $160-something at the end of the week. And I didn't buy anything today, even though it was kind of like a red day. But I mean, I think the market ended on a good note, because like I said, I've been tired. I was up last night late, so of course I couldn't sleep until like 4-something this morning, and I had to get up at 7-something to work. So I was a little tired. But overall, I mean, we beat the S&P 500 yesterday, of course. I'm not sure we're going to beat them tomorrow. But I mean, the main portfolio is down, right? This is the main portfolio that is weighted against the S&P. The whole portfolio is not. It's just this, it's not all of the portfolio in this brokerage. It's just my retire early portfolio that beat the S&P yesterday. Today we're down 11%. I mean, we might beat him again tomorrow when we do the weekly review for the overall week. We might beat him, but as of today, is where we are, okay, on this portfolio. Let's get over here. So we did pay down the dividend. We did pay down margins because of the growth in the portfolio, and overall we're down. I did say lost by $2,000-something. But overall, we paid down, the margins, right, almost $8,000 because I sold a lot of stuff, right? So all of the stuff that I sold, that balance that I sold went down and to pay down the margins. So that's why you see, I think we were at 50-something thousand, or right at 50,000 yesterday. And then today we're down. So of course, with all the things that I'm selling, restructuring this portfolio, the income is gonna drop, right? So yesterday income was up, and then today the income is gonna drop. So as you can see, we cut down a few things out of here. Let me see. So overall, between the two portfolio, I have 147 positions. Let me see. Oh, I'm looking in the wrong place. No wonder. I'm tripping. I just waking up, y'all. So I took a nap. So now in this portfolio, I'm down to 33. I think it was like 40 something earlier, or late, almost 40 in here. So it's down a little bit more. The goal is to kind of get them under 20, right? And just all high yield, and maybe keep maybe five or so different things in it that's not high yield, to help balance the portfolio, especially being high yield. A lot of these gonna be red, not about a lot because I want a daily cost average, but it's still gonna be down red a little bit because the market's changed, right? You see Tesla here. I'm still down 14, $1,100. What my average is? I pay 14.42, and it's down to 13.34. And I got about $14,000, almost $15,000 into this, right? So of course it's one of the highest one that I have in here as far as overall costs, right? So I mean, it's one of those things. Trying to get them to 1,000 in this portfolio also. But like I said, I got some other things in here that have less a yield that I need to update and move up. Okay, guys. Let's go to the next one. So this is Robinhood. This is Yara's portfolio kind of where I'm gonna be paying her tuition out of this. And right now she got student loans, so I will be paying the student loan back. So to wait until this portfolio start to grow, and then once it grows, we're gonna pay off her student loan. So that money she's gonna get in student loan in the next 4 years, I mean, this portfolio should be generating over 100K within the next 6 months. I'm just waiting for crypto to go up so I can sell some of this crypto I have in here and buy and use the profits to buy stocks, high yield stocks. I already have a few of them in here. I'm gonna get a few more to have them paying. I'm gonna get yield Mac and yield YMAC and YMAX in here to have them paying weekly, and then I'm gonna get at least one or two of each of the weeklies, so that way I will get YMAC and YMAX every week, and then the Tesla, the Coney, and Reedy, they all break down into individual weeks, but I will try to get two of each if I can. That's doing good. If not, just do one and just have more. But I think I already have some that are two in a week, and then that way I will have four positions I'm going to be paying every week. And that will help boost the portfolio. And I mean, once I get to a certain amount, I'm going to turn on margins on the second portfolio, of course not the crypto portfolio, but the second portfolio in here. And then that's just going to help it grow, and we're just going to let it grow, just like my other portfolio. And within 6 months we can get it up to 100K, and then once we get there, and then turn off drip, and then have that money paying down the margins, and then at some point we'll start pulling money out of here. I think when she gets about sophomore year, or junior year, because the thing, once she graduates, she has 6 months after graduation before she start paying down the loan. So once she graduates, within that 6 months, we're gonna start paying off the loan, because we're gonna have, by that time, I think over 100K coming out of this portfolio. So I'm not in a rush to get it there. We can get there real quickly. We can get it there real quickly, and I don't even have to put money from a different account in here. The market was down, so S&P was down 19% today, so 0.19%. So we're gonna beat them again. So I'm not. I guess it don't even matter. Tomorrow we're gonna be up when that report show up. But yeah, so this is my daughter. Primary account will be gonna be for E. She have another account in Vanguard that I need to move that account into her Fidelity. But I'm just holding it there until I can't hold it there no more. Then I'm gonna just move that into her Fidelity for her and manage it for her, because I've been teaching her what to do. But kids that she don't see the value right now. So I would tell her, you check your account. Yeah, it went up, it went down. Did you add no more money? No, daddy. Or you need to add at least $10 a week. You're making $200-300 working 2 days a week. So just put even $10 a week. It's not too much. Well, I gotta buy groceries, daddy. Yes, there's a lot more money you're spending that you don't need. Put $2 a week. $10 a week into your account. It's not about, oh, well, I'm putting too much money. It's just the idea that you get in the habit of putting money in there. So let's go over here. This pop up, and as you guys can see, right, like I told you guys yesterday, we're going to be down because I was selling things today, and of course I sold over $8,000 worth of positions, and my dividend went down, right? Dividend went down. So tomorrow I'm probably going to go down again because of what I sold in here. Where is it? Let's see. Let me move this. Get it out of the way. Activities. Right. So I sold QDTE, as I said, because the margins, and for some reason I couldn't see the margins when I look at the margins requirement here, but I went ahead and sold it anyway because it's more than what I paid for it. So I made a little profit, $100 and some dollars on what I paid for it. So it's still fine. Than what I paid. I made a little profit, so I went ahead and sold it and got it out of there. Now, if Robinhood maintenance requirement is less, then I'll put it in Robinhood. But for now, we don't need that, that margin requirement. So of course, this 8,000, 4,000 something here, 4,000, 7,000 something, they bring down my margin requirements, what I owe in margins, and raise, my purchase power again. So that's just what it is, right? You pay down and they give you more money. You pay down and give you more money. So the goal is you pay the stuff down, they're gonna give you more money because they want you to buy more. So of course next week, like I said, today wasn't like a red day where I could really buy things that I wanted to buy. Because I was leaving the apartment, I was doing a lot of stuff, and then right when I was ready to go and start buying stuff, the guest came to drop off the suitcase, so I had to get up, turn the computer off, and just, let me just get the hell out of there, and I went and got some food. So, it didn't work out the way I wanted to, so I didn't really buy it, but I was able to sell this guy as I planned to do. We got a little $37 come in from Alti. In here, I don't even know how much worth of Alti I have, but that little bit came in and it's gonna be reinvested. And I don't know why it didn't get reinvested today, because usually it will come in like this one here, where it come in and it get reinvested right away, but it didn't get reinvested today, so I don't know why. It might get reinvested tomorrow or Monday. I'm not sure, but that's what it is. So back to the overall here, we still got $112,000 income. I mean, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money between two portfolios, and these portfolios are generating 53,000, and the other portfolio is generating 58,000. So, I mean, this portfolio is gonna hit 60,000 before the end of this month as far as income, because we're gonna be buying more stuff, buying more higher yield. And this bad boy here, they're gonna take $3 out of here the end of the month. So this is probably gonna go down again because they're charging me to use the platform because my portfolio is under 10,000. But I need to sell all of my lower things in there, and buy some higher yield dividend, so we can see this portfolio go up. Now over time, I'm gonna start showing my portfolio like I do every day, because I just show you guys basic stuff. I can show you guys everything right in here, but it's just a habit now that I'm showing you guys. But over time, you guys are not gonna see my main portfolio. You're just gonna see this tool here that I use to show the different things. As you can see, it's the same amount. It's the same amount pretty much. Okay, so go back to the overall summary. So the income, it went down, right, a little bit, just like the other day, but the low is still about the same, right? It's still about the same. This mostly went down, I guess, overall, but the income for this month, most of the stuff already paid income. I mean, we got 10 more days to go in the month, and then next month, October, November, December. Now I might end up staying in Colombia until December, even though my baby is coming for her birthday, but her mom she's gonna be with her sister there anyway. But I'll see how that goes. I mean, it's the second week, November is the second, November 2nd is her birthday. So if I can get back to the US by that time, the end of this month, because I still got a lot of plans. I gotta go back to DR, and then I gotta go to Panama, but I think I'm gonna go to Panama once I go back home. Then I'm gonna go to Panama. So I still got a lot going on, and trying to make things work. But it can be kind of tricky. But this is my best button right here, right? 'Cause, I mean, we know what the income is, 7,000. We're trying to get to 10,000 by December. So I think we're gonna be there. Today was kind of up and down. Maybe Monday gonna be a real red day, to where we can buy a few things and invest. Since I have 20-some thousand in one account that I can invest, and I have over 50,000 in the other account that I can invest. So, of course, I'm not going to invest the whole 20-some thousand dollars in the charge swap account. I might just invest maybe half of that and just leave the other half. I mean, it's not a lot, but I still got money that I pulled out of my other account that's sitting in there as a backup, just in case I need to add money. And then in the ones I have the 50-something thousand, maybe I invest another 25 between the other higher yield accounts, to raise up the income. And that might get us to 10,000 regardless. And I'm still buying every day. So, I mean, we still gonna get there at some point. We're still gonna get there. But this is my favorite button right here. And yesterday, right, we were at 691,000, and we down today to 682, because I sold some stuff that was paying income. So of course that affected overall income. So when you're selling, cutting down the trees, and then that stopped bearing fruit. So that affects the overall production of the overall, farm, right? So it's the same. It's an analogy, guys. If you don't get it, you don't get it. If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, then you forget about it. Okay, guys? That's another joke. But, I mean, that's where we are. I think we're doing pretty good, and I didn't even try to do anything with E-Trade today. I was kind of frustrated with them, the lady, and but it wasn't her fault. So the survey thing, you want to do a survey, and I said yes, I'm going to do a survey and tell you how horrible you guys was. And then it came, and the survey was just on the last person I talked to. So of course I wasn't going to give her a bad review because she didn't do nothing. The other people that I spoke to that was telling me they were doing something, and in return they were doing something already been done. So there was a miscommunication on their part. They don't understand what the hell they're doing or something. But like I said, I could have been making money already with that portfolio, but it didn't happen. So it is what it is. But we're still making money, right? And it is what it is. So guys, once again, you all know I'm not a financial advisor. I just make videos on my experience and what is going on in my portfolio. So I always say you can use my portfolio as a guide, but do your due diligence, guys, okay? Do your due diligence. I love you guys. Happy investing. Invest in your future. Peace out.